Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Frank the Tank Ortega. I'm so excited you guys clicked on this video. It's going to be my daily life vlog. I'm real excited to share what I do with you guys, and in essence, it's just what I do throughout my day. I really wanted to record it just so that, you know, my daughter has something to look back on. You know, we have memories and we can tell stories, but there's nothing like showing it and letting her see it in an entertaining way. This is my first video ever to make, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. And yes, just enjoy my daily life vlog and stay tuned for some other big cool events. So I made it. It's a little chilly, but my hands almost froze to death on the ride. I can't even feel my fingers right now. I definitely should have worn my heated gloves because that was not fun. But the view was beautiful. I don't know if you guys can tell really, but look at that. When I wake up late, I get a beautiful sunrise. When I wake up early, it's just dark. That's my dad's over there, but he's gone right now. His truck's here. He parks his other one right here in the middle. So he already went to work, but yeah. Gotta let this warm up and then I'm gonna take off. But hopefully I'll see you guys here soon, all right? There it is, VOS Trucking, taking dumps in people's lawns since 2016. Alright guys, so I made it to the second job now. They are loading me up with some asphalt because they're tearing down some bridge or something crazy. But while they do that, enjoy some of this footage. I thought I'd show y'all kind of where I load at. This is all the asphalt right here, the huge mountain. Behind me there's this beautiful quarry. And then over here is where all the sand is. That's my dad's other truck right there, actually. So we need another driver. So if you know anyone, send them our way. Came to my crib because I forgot my GoPro charger and I need it so I can keep on filming and all that good stuff. But something really awesome that I'm super excited about is that tomorrow morning, I have a meeting for my U.S. citizenship over at Homeland Security or whatever. It's been a long time coming. I'm super excited about it. I've been a permanent resident since I was like 18 years old, and now I'm finally going to be a citizen. So no wall for me. So since I came home anyways, I figured I might as well trim and shave up my beard a little bit, get rid of this little nasty mustache so that my passport pictures look semi-decent. Someone else, see your stupid ass, and I know you try to be that. Okay, so it turns out that my mom and my dad actually took my hair clippers that I normally use to trim down my beard. But I found that another trick that you can always do if you don't have your trimmers and stuff is just take the razor and just kind of slide it over your beard. And I'm done. I think it looks pretty good. I also changed shirts just because that other one was a little dirty just from working, so I do need to go and get some hair gel so that I can actually do my hair for the picture, but that'll have to wait.
And this is Peanut and the little one. This is Peanut. Oh, hey Tootie. How you doing, buddy? And where's the little one? There's the little one. Where's the little one? Yeah, I know the little one's bigger than Peanut, but she was smaller than him before. Oh well. I'm gonna go work.
Well, it looks like my dad got home now too.
Saludos. Hey, ¿qué onda? Les WhatsApp. That's my dad.
So just pulled up to the house. The Road Glide, Harley Davidson, all day. Pulling into the house. Ready to see my lady and my little girl. What's up, baby? Love you, baby. All right, so got here, got my gel, moco de gorila. It's actually in English gorilla style. It's actually pretty good stuff, especially when you have really short hair. So for right now, it worked perfectly. Now I'm about to go get my pictures taken. So we'll see you in a bit. And we're home. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. I know today was just kind of a regular day. Didn't have too much crazy stuff going on. But I do have some good stuff coming up, so stay tuned for that. We got our annual family horse brigade. And I think that's gonna be really fun to video and just show you guys kind of what my family does once a year. And shoot, if you guys are around, y'all can come and join over here in McKinney. But other than that, I got that, and then I may be getting tased for my birthday, so stay tuned, because you guys may want to see that. That sounds like fun. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, so maybe now's the time to do it. So if you guys want to, go ahead and hit the like button, and just stay tuned for more. Alrighty guys, peace out.